Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Christine D. Penos. I am 45 years old. I am happily married with 2 kids. I have 7 years of experience as a domestic helper. I can do household chores such as cleaning, do the laundry, ironing, and marketing. My very first job was in Hong Kong. I worked there for 1.5 years, taking care of a 3 family member, including mom and sir and an 8-year-old boy. My main duty is to take care of him. While he was in school, I can do the house cleaning, do the laundry, and quick marketing. It depends on his schedule. And whatever mom asks me to do, I will patiently follow all her instruction. My second job was in Lebanon. I worked there for 3 years for 4 family members, 4 adults. My main duty is to clean the house. I have co-workers inside the house, but also I can work independently. But since the house is too big, my main duty is to clean 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms daily. I manage my time very well to finish all my tasks. Excuse me. If you will hire me, I will promise to respect your family privacy and follow all your instruction. Please contact me in my WhatsApp number. I'll be waiting. Okay? Thank you for watching my video. Enjoy your day.